What's up everybody? Welcome back to Wayward Power Sports. Today's going to be the top end rebuild video. If you haven't seen the bottom end rebuild, you guys would love that one. Go check it out right here in the top right corner. Today, we're going to be doing the top end like I said, and there's two special tricks that I'm going to show you guys. One is how to clean your cylinder head properly, and two is going to be how to install valve keepers if you don't have that special tool to compress the springs. So without further ado guys, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so we're going to be installing this piston now, putting the rings on. So we're going to start with the oil ring. Just slide that on. Make sure it doesn't overlap. If your oil ring is overlapping, you're going to get excessive oil that leaks by, and then it's going to smoke a lot. So make sure it doesn't overlap. And then there's two smaller rings that go on either side. We're going to put those on now. And these will go on the bottom and the top. So one on the bottom of the oil ring, the stretchy oil ring, and then one on the top. Alright, so this oil ring is on at the bottom, and then we'll install our top compression ring. I don't know if we can get this on camera here, but there's a R on top of the piston ring, and that's going to be facing up on this particular model. So we're going to put the R facing up, start with one side, and just work this piston over, the piston ring over. Just be careful not to damage it, bend it, and just like that, our rings are on and we are ready for installation. Alright, so I have some 10W40 here. I'm going to put it in a little cap. So we're going to be installing this piston on, and I will show you how to do that right now. We're going to put some of this 10W40 here on this wrist pin just to help it for initial startup. When we go to start the engine, you want to have some lubrication. Alright everybody, so we're going to be installing this piston now. There's going to be an arrow, and that's going to be pointing towards the front of the engine, the exhaust side. Alright, yep, so that's focused, and you can see that arrow right there. That's going to be facing towards the exhaust side. And we're going to start by installing our wrist pin circlips, these bad boys right here. I like to install one side first. You know, I don't have to do as much work when we're putting the piston on, and it risks dropping one of these down into the engine. Alright, so we're going to be putting this on. We're just going to try to push it in by one side, and then you could use a pick or a flathead, push the other sides in. Be careful not to damage the piston. Alright, so we've installed the right hand circlip right in there. We installed. That way it'll just be a little bit less work for us when we go to install it and put our wrist pin on. So we have a wrist pin right here. I'm going to start this wrist pin. We have that side on, and we'll install our other circlip. This is a brand new cylinder from Cylinder Works that I bought for this engine, but even though it's brand new, I'm going to show you guys a little trick that you can do. If you pour a little bit of ATF and you rub the inside, you're going to pick up a lot of dirt that was missed to begin with. And ATF is really nice because it has a lot of cleaning detergents in there, and it picks up a lot of extra dirt that a parts washer or something else wouldn't. And look at that, it's already turning dark. So, and just go through and work it throughout the cylinder. Alright, and you can see that it did pick up a little bit more. So we're going to hit this with some brake cleaner. And that's perfectly clean. Now we're going to take a little bit of 10W40, real lightly coat the inside of this cylinder.
Okay.
Literally just hit my head with the mic. It's like the dude with the boom mic. The fuck?
That's nice. Will that show up on the sound?
Are you still recording?
Yes.
And this will slide right on. Alright, now we have the cylinder on. Alright, we got the cylinder on. We're just gonna get this Allen bolt on. Alright, that's good to go. And now we're gonna work on the head.
today's video. Thanks for checking it out today. If you guys haven't seen some other videos, check them out right here in the corner, or they might be laid out on the screen right here. So go check them out, see what you think of them, and let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. I got a ton of videos coming out for you guys in the future. I got so many ideas flowing, so make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss a video. See you guys soon. Peace.